wanna turn my phone off, but that's where all my friends are. What do I do? Why is it so hard to find someone new so far away?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Nani Fangube and I'm welcoming you guys all to my channel. Thank you so much for the continuing support you guys have been giving me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, besties. So today I'm back with yet another video. Today I'm giving you guys some hair content. I'll be styling my not so cute hair for you guys today. I'll be doing a really simple afro hairstyle that I'm hoping you guys will like. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the channel. Also, if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining the family. I'm promising you that you won't regret it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, babes. Thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe. I need subscribers, so yeah, please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. Also turn on your notification buttons to get notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, let's get on with our video. So my hair, I haven't done anything on my hair. I just used this hair food, the amla oil hair food to lotion my hair, and that's all. So now I'll start combing my hair. Just comb it gently, not like ultra serious. Just comb it to just straighten some of the hair. And yeah, don't comb it too hard. Just, I hope you guys see what you guys see what I mean by not coming too hard. Yeah. Then we'll go on with our brush to get rid of all the thingies at the back.
And give me back my crown. Stay up at night, fighting with my head and my mind. I can see that you're really trying. Stay up at night, fighting with my head and on my mind. Whatever I call me, whatever I call me, whatever I call me, whatever you call me. That don't call me cause you wanna chat, yeah. I saved the hate I made you crave. My Body in my mind, I'm gonna keep it to myself. Yeah, yeah. Stay up at night, fighting with my head and my mind. I can see that you're really trying. Stay up at night, fighting with my head and on my mind. Whatever I call me, whatever I call me, whatever I call me, whatever you call me.
Man, shit is crazy for me. I've been depressed as fuck. I feel so fucking unwanted in this world. I just don't get it. I feel so fucking unwanted. Yeah, no, I guess that's a fucking way. My baby ain't let me ride, yeah. She left me all alone, yeah. She my ride or die, yeah. She my ride or die, yeah. I guess her name is Jennifer, yeah. I guess her name is Jennifer, baby. Her presence so fucking amazing, yeah. Her presence so fucking amazing, amazing, yeah. His girlfriend. Man, I fucked up, that booty good, that she tear it up. I busted up and man, I tear it up. Yeah, booze a big, she was booed up. Jenny's a baby. I hit it and run, yeah. Call me the running man. T on the beat, it's been the heat. Flow is so lit, yeah, it's on me. Jenny's on, you were never my type. You just wasted my time. You can now take a ride, yeah. Yeah, go, go, go. I told her I'm the one for you. Oh, she find me, yeah. Baby, 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 baby. Oh, I guess her name is Jennifer, baby. I guess her name is Jennifer, baby. Her presence so fucking amazing, yeah. Her presence so fucking amazing, amazing.
It's Jennifer. I told her lies. I miss my friends, chillin' with my new chick. Yeah, we watching movies and we acting foolish. I got a Kim in the stick, yeah, we shooting nuisance. I'ma see her when I'm done with this shoot, yeah. I'ma call her just to tell her that she cute. She fucked up when she slept with my crew. Yeah, you fucked up. You know that was a friend that I screwed. I swear to God, girl, I didn't know that was your friend that I screwed, yeah. I didn't know that was a friend that I screwed, yeah. I didn't know that was your that
I guess her name is Jennifer, yeah. I guess her name is Jennifer, yeah. That presence so fucking amazing, yeah. That presence so fucking amazing, amazing. I told this bitch, yeah, I'm gonna make it. Even though I did tell someone I'm being so long, I do this for my mama. Yeah, I do this for the family. I said her name is Jennifer. She a fucked up, honestly, so now like her name is Jennifer.
Jennifer, baby. Jennifer, baby.
My baby makes she a baby, why, yeah. She second that she love me, baby, oh no. But
My hair looks at the end, it's the end product, baby. You know, the thing of coiling your hair with your hand is to get it a little bit messy, like stuck together. I don't know if you guys can clearly see my hair. Coiling your hair with your hand is to like make it look like it's a messy kind of thing, you know. It's I don't know how to put this thing, to make it look like it's stuck together. Yes, I can see that the waxing gel still looks a bit white, but when it dries it will look normal, just like your hair. Or if you do not want to wait for it to dry, you can use your oil sheen spray to spray your hair and get it oily, so it could cover the whiteness of the waxing gel. And I'm sorry guys about the noise made by the chickens. I mean, I can't control them, so yeah. Anyways, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I really tried for the first time filming a hair content. The chickens will just have to rest theirs because, wow. Anyways,
I wanna turn my phone off, but that's where all my friends are. What do I do? Why is it so hard to find someone new so far?
So my final look, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment for more cute videos, obviously, and don't forget to turn on your notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video, because I'll be posting some hair content more now. Not that I'm quitting fashion content. I'll be posting both fashion vlogs and hair content. So yeah, this is how I look. This is my final look. The end product. The end product.
Just want something that's real, that's alive. Don't want no phone static, phone static, phone static, I'm tired of being